So in this video, we're going to learn how to unlock your bootloader and install a custom recovery. Keep in mind that unlocking your bootloader will delete everything from your phone like it was brand new. So you're going to want to back up anything that you want to keep. To do this, you can use Android file transfer. I'll have a link to this app in the description of the video, and you can transfer everything to your computer very easily. If you already have ADB and Fastboot installed, you're good to go. You can continue on. If you don't, you're going to want to watch my previous video and get that all set up and squared away. All right, so let's get started. All right, so what you want to do is you want to open up settings on your phone. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on About This Phone, or About Phone. And then you're going to want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and find Build Number. Tap that 7 times, and it's going to enable developer options. It's already enabled on my phone, so I'm just going to go back, and then you'll see developer options right above About Phone. You're going to want to tap on OEM Unlocking, put in your password, and then it'll give you this warning, blah, blah, blah. Go ahead and push Enable. And then scroll down a little bit more. You'll see Android Debugging. Go ahead and turn that on and click OK. And then you're all set on the phone end, so then you just want to go ahead and turn it off, power off. And then you're going to want to go into fast boot mode. So how you do that is you hold down volume down and power. And then there you go, you're in fast boot mode now. You can just leave it there. You're going to want to go ahead and plug it into your computer now. And then we're going to move on to some terminal commands. All right, so you're going to want to open up terminal. And then you're going to want to type in Fastboot devices. And make sure your phone is plugged in bootloader or fastboot mode. And then hit return. You're going to see it pop up with a serial number there, and your phone is detected. So then from there, you're going to want to type in Fastboot flashing unlock and hit return. Now you're going to get a prompt on your phone. Mine says device already unlocked because it is already unlocked. But you're going to get a prompt on your phone that says, are you sure you want to do this? And you're going to just push the power button to hit yes. You use the volume up and down to control the selector there. And then you'll get a notification in terminal here that will say, congratulations, your bootloader is now unlocked, blah, blah, blah. And then you can go ahead and reboot your device by doing Fastboot reboot in terminal and hit return. And it'll say rebooting. Now your bootloader is unlocked. When your phone reboots, it will have this little warning screen there that says your device software can't be checked for corruption. It's fine. There's nothing to worry about. That's totally normal. So now that you have your bootloader unlocked, we're going to go ahead and install the custom recovery on your phone. So what you want to do is you want to head over to the TWRP website. I have a link to several devices custom recoveries in the description of the video, so if yours is there, go ahead and click on that. If not, you can easily find it by a quick Google search. So here I have the Nexus 6P pulled up. You're going to want to scroll down to download links and click on wherever is closer to you. You don't want to do this recommended one because it requires root and you don't have that yet. So go ahead and click on the download link. It's going to bring you to another page, and you're going to want to click on the most recent one. And then it's going to bring you to another download page, and this is where you're actually going to be able to download it. So go ahead and click download. It's not too big. It should be a fairly quick download. And what you want to do now is restart your phone into Fastboot bootloader mode, just like you did earlier, by turning it off and then turning it on with holding down the volume button. Go ahead and keep this file, just like I clicked down there. You don't need this page anymore, but let's go ahead and show in Finder. It's going to download into your downloads folder here. This is important. You can go ahead and close this window now. We're going to open up terminal again. There we go. And then go ahead and do just like you did earlier, Fastboot devices. There you go. You see my devices showing up there again. Now you want to type in Fastboot flash recovery space, and then you can go ahead and just drag this file into here. You don't really want that space at the end, so go ahead and push backspace or delete, and then hit return. And then there you go. You have your custom recovery is installed now. You're going to want to go over to your phone now. Okay, so you can go ahead and unplug your phone now, and what you want to do is you want to use the volume keys and find recovery mode. So tap down or up until you see recovery mode here, and then go ahead and click power button. Here's the little warning that I mentioned earlier. It's going to take a couple moments here. And then you'll eventually see TeamWin Recovery Project booting up. And there you have it. You now have your custom recovery installed. Go ahead and push reboot system. And it's just going to reboot. And that's it. Alright, so now that your bootloader is unlocked and you have a custom recovery installed, you can do things like install custom ROMs, install custom kernels, gain root access, install various different mods. There's an unlimited amount of things you can do now. If you want to learn how to do some of these things, watch my next video on how to install custom ROMs and kernels. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions, and also a thumbs up too.